Ever felt like you're drowning in spreadsheets, trying to piece together financial data from a dozen different systems? Like you're playing a high-stakes game of find the missing number, where the stakes are your company's profitability and your sanity? If you're an accountant, you know this feeling all too well. And you've probably asked yourself, isn't there a better way? Well, let's cut to the chase. You're here because you want to know, do accountants use NetSuite? And if so, why? Or maybe you're just curious about what NetSuite even is. Before we dive into the specifics, let's paint a picture. Imagine a world where all your financial data, from general ledger entries to accounts payable, accounts receivable, and even inventory management, lives in one unified cloud-based system. A world where you can generate real-time reports with a few clicks, instead of spending hours manually compiling data. A world where collaboration with other departments is seamless, and compliance is built in, not bolted on. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for many accountants, that dream is a reality, and that reality is often powered by NetSuite. You see, accounting isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about providing strategic insights, driving business decisions, and ensuring financial integrity. And in today's fast-paced, data-driven world, traditional accounting methods are simply no longer sufficient. Think about the challenges accountants face daily. You're not just dealing with debits and credits anymore. You're managing complex revenue recognition, navigating evolving tax regulations, and trying to keep up with the demands of a globalized economy. You need tools that can handle the complexity, automate tedious tasks, and provide the visibility you need to make informed decisions. That's where NetSuite comes in. NetSuite is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) system that integrates various business functions, including accounting, finance, inventory management, customer relationship management, CRM, and e-commerce. It's designed to provide a comprehensive view of your business, enabling you to make better, faster decisions. Now, let's get back to the core question. Do accountants use NetSuite? The short answer is a resounding yes. But let's explore why. First and foremost, NetSuite offers a robust general ledger, which is the foundation of any accounting system. It allows you to track all your financial transactions in real time, providing a clear and accurate picture of your company's financial health. You can easily generate financial statements, perform variance analysis, and drill down into transaction details. But NetSuite goes far beyond basic general ledger functionality. It also provides advanced features like automated revenue recognition, which is crucial for companies dealing with complex revenue streams. With NetSuite, you can automate the process of recognizing revenue according to accounting standards, ensuring compliance and accuracy. Another key benefit for accountants is NetSuite's robust accounts payable and accounts receivable modules. These modules streamline the process of managing invoices, payments, and collections, reducing manual effort and improving efficiency. You can automate invoice approvals, track payment statuses, and generate aging reports with ease. Furthermore, NetSuite offers powerful reporting and analytics capabilities. You can generate a wide range of financial reports, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, with just a few clicks. You can also customize reports to meet your specific needs and drill down into the underlying data for deeper analysis. And let's not forget about compliance. NetSuite is designed to help you comply with various accounting standards and regulations, such as GAAP and IFRS. It provides built-in controls and audit trails, ensuring that your financial data is accurate and secure. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great, but how does it actually benefit me as an accountant? Well, let's break it down. Increased efficiency. NetSuite automates many of the manual tasks that consume valuable time, such as data entry, invoice processing, and report generation. This frees up your time to focus on more strategic activities, such as financial analysis and planning. Improved accuracy. By centralizing your financial data and automating key processes, NetSuite reduces the risk of errors and inconsistencies. This ensures that your financial reports are accurate and reliable. Enhanced visibility. NetSuite provides a real-time view of your company's financial performance, enabling you to identify trends, spot potential problems, and make informed decisions. Better collaboration. NetSuite facilitates collaboration between different departments, such as sales, marketing, and operations, by providing a shared platform for accessing and sharing financial data. Scalability. NetSuite is a cloud-based system that can scale with your business as you grow. This means you don't have to worry about outgrowing your accounting system. Reduced costs. By automating processes and improving efficiency, NetSuite can help you reduce your overall accounting costs. But it's not just about the features. It's about the transformation. NetSuite allows accountants to transition from being reactive data processors to proactive strategic advisors. Instead of spending hours manually compiling data, you can focus on analyzing trends, identifying opportunities, and providing valuable insights to your management team. Think about the impact that real-time financial data can have on your decision-making. Imagine being able to generate a cash flow forecast in seconds or to analyze the profitability of a new product line with a few clicks. This level of visibility and agility can give your company a significant competitive advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.